Build muscle in 3 weeks? Yes, it's possible, and it's easier than you ever imagined. All you need are these 5 simple bodyweight exercises. No gym membership, no equipment. Just you, these easy moves, and a little dedication. Can you guess which exercise builds your chest faster than bench presses? Say hello to push-ups, your chest's new best friend. Now, you're probably thinking, how can push-ups really compete with bench presses? Well, prepare to be amazed. Research shows that push-ups activate similar muscle groups as bench presses, particularly in your chest, shoulders, and triceps. The thing is, most people do push-ups wrong, missing out on 50% of the benefits. And that is because of the hand placement. We're talking slightly wider than shoulder width, while keeping your elbows at about a 45-degree angle. And also, don't forget, you need to lower your chest all the way to the ground. No cheating. This full range of motion is what really gives you that bigger chest. So it's time to see how many push-ups you really need for serious gains. Start with 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps, 3 to 4 times a week, with a big focus on the form. Can't do that yet? No worries, we've got a trick for you. Try elevated push-ups. Place your hands on a sturdy chair or bench. It's like push-ups with training wheels. This variation reduces the load and helps you master your form while building strength. As you get stronger, you can gradually increase the difficulty by elevating your feet or trying deficit push-ups for an increased range of motion. Also, stick around, because at the end of this video, I'll share a bonus tip that will skyrocket your gains even faster. Can you guess which bodyweight exercise mimics the intensity of heavy weightlifting, all while using nothing but your own mass? The answer is a pistol squat, the ultimate test of leg strength, stability, and control. Picture this. You're balancing on one leg, slowly lowering your body to the ground while keeping the other leg straight out in front of you. Sounds challenging, right? That's because it is. Pistol squats take everything you thought you knew about squats and crank it up to maximum. They target your quads, hamstrings, and glutes simultaneously, making them an efficiency champion in the world of leg exercises. Now, before you rush off to try these, here's a word of caution. Pistol squats are no joke. Jumping straight into pistol squats without preparation can lead to injury faster than you can say leg day. Start with assisted versions. Hold onto a wall or use a chair for support. Focus on control and balance while building strength and stability. Once you've nailed the assisted version, challenge yourself. Gradually reduce the support, then move to full pistol squats. Now, how much should you do? Start with 3 sets of 5 to 8 reps per leg 3 times a week. Rest at least a day between sessions to allow your muscles to recover and grow. And remember, it's not about speed, it's about mastering the movement. What are common mistakes to avoid? Don't round your back. Keep your chest up and core tight. Make sure your knee tracks over your toes to avoid unnecessary strain, and avoid bouncing at the bottom of the movement. It's all about controlled motion. So, can pistol squats really double your leg strength in just 21 days? Maybe not double, but consistent practice can lead to noticeable improvements in strength, balance, and muscle definition. Research shows significant leg strength gains are possible within 3 weeks. You remember when we mentioned how pistol squats work your core? It's time to introduce something that is specifically designed for a strong core. Do you know which exercise builds abs faster than crunches? That would be plank. You might think, how can holding still build muscle? Well, it's all about time under tension. Your core muscles are working overtime to keep you stable, and that's where the magic happens. Research has shown that planks activate more core muscles than traditional exercises like crunches and sit-ups. And that's not all. Planks are a full-body workout in disguise. While you're holding that position, you're not just working your abs. Your shoulders, chest, and glutes are all getting in on the action too. It's like a party for your muscles, and everyone's invited. Now, keep in mind that proper form is crucial when it comes to planks. You want to keep your body as straight as a board from head to heels. Make sure you're engaging your core to prevent sagging hips or raised buttocks. It might sound simple, but maintaining this position is where the real challenge lies. Now comes the famous question. How much plank do we need to see results? Start with shorter holds of 20 to 30 seconds if you're a beginner. Aim for 3 sets per session, and try to include planks in your routine 3 to 4 times a week. As your strength improves, gradually increase your hold time to 45 to 90 seconds. Remember, it's all about that time under tension. The longer you can maintain proper form, the more your muscles will thank you, even if they're screaming at the time. Now, here comes the question. What do you think? Can you build an impressive back without ever touching a weight? Prepare to be amazed by the pulls. Superman pulls target your lats, traps, and lower back, the key muscles for a strong and balanced back. These muscles are also responsible for improving your posture and helping you stand taller. Lie flat on your stomach with your arms and legs extended. Lift your arms, chest, and legs off the ground slightly. Hold for 2 to 3 seconds, then lower back down slowly. Start with 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, 2 to 3 times a week. Now, it's time to reveal the final exercise on our list, and it starts with the statement. What if I told you there's one exercise that can burn fat and build muscle at the same time? Let me introduce mountain climbers, an all-in-one, full-body exercise that's perfect for any fitness level. Mountain climbers work your core, shoulders, chest, and legs all at once. But they're not just for building muscle. These dynamic movements also get your heart rate up, helping you burn calories and torch fat. And guess what? The calorie burn doesn't stop when you're done. Moves like mountain climbers can keep your metabolism boosted for hours after your workout. So how do you make sure you're doing them right? Proper form is key. Start in a plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders and your core engaged. Drive your knees toward your chest one at a time, maintaining a steady pace. It's not about speed, it's about control and keeping your core tight. You can start with 3 sets of 30 to 45 seconds, 2 to 3 times a week. Gradually increase the duration or speed as you get stronger. Now that you know the 5 exercises, here's how to turn them into a simple but effective weekly routine. This routine targets all major muscle groups and helps you build strength, burn fat, and improve your fitness, all in just 3 to 4 sessions a week. First, start with a quick 5-minute warm-up. Do dynamic stretches like arm circles, leg swings, and bodyweight squats. Add a light jog or a set of jumping jacks to get your heart rate up. Now, it's time for a workout. Here's how it works. Perform 3 rounds of the following exercises. Start with push-ups. Do 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. If regular push-ups are too hard, start with elevated push-ups using a chair. Then, you're going to do pistol squats. Do 3 sets of 5 to 8 reps per leg. Use a wall or chair for support if needed. After pistol squats, you go into plank. Hold for 30 to 45 seconds. For variety, try side planks. The next exercise is Superman pulls. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Hold each lift for 2 to 3 seconds for maximum effect. And the last but not least are mountain climbers. Do 3 sets of 30 to 45 seconds. Keep your core engaged and maintain a steady pace. Rest for 30 to 60 seconds between each exercise and take a 1 to 2 minute break between rounds. Do this routine 3 to 4 times a week. Make sure to rest at least 1 day between sessions to allow your muscles to recover and grow. Focus on proper form with every rep. It's all about quality over quantity.